All right, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to install the NOCO Genius 5 battery charger maintainer on my Porsche 911 Turbo S. This is a 2022 model in shark blue. I just recently got this. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did to hook it up. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and pop the frunk. Do that again. Always miss that handle. All right, here we go. Okay, a couple of things to take note here. I removed the cover for the battery panel. I know my Technica has a couple of leads where you don't have to remove the battery compartment, which I really do like. But with the Porsche, for whatever reason, we have to remove that first. And then we've got the positive cable that I just attached directly to the screw there on the positive side of the battery. Now, this particular battery here is a lithium-ion battery, so I'll show you why that's important in just a second. And then Porsche, I recently found out that for the negative clamp, you can hook it up to the battery on that side, but they actually have a designated area here for the negative. I'm not sure why they did that, but we're gonna go ahead and take advantage of that today. And then once you get those things connected, we'll go ahead and plug it into the wall. Okay, we're gonna plug in the NOCO directly into an outlet. I always get that wrong. Here we go. And now give it a second. The NOCO 5 is going to go ahead and power up. And then right off the bat there, you will see you have a mode. So depending on the type of battery you do have, this particular Genius 5 supports 12 volt AGM, and then 12 volt lithium. And I think it also does support 6 volt too. I think when it first powered up, it was on 12 volts. So what I did is I just pushed the mode button to toggle between the various battery indicators and then went over to 12 volt lithium. And you'll see in just a second, it's gonna go ahead and power up. Okay, so we're still at bar number 2. These are kind of like cell phone bars, right? So we're at bar number 2, but if you give it a couple of seconds or even a couple of minutes, it will start to rise there. And the optimal one that you wanna be at is in the green one, which is gonna fire up probably in just about under a minute. So it's a battery trickler, and there we go. Took actually about 30 seconds to fire up into the green mode, so we feel pretty good about it. Now, you can go ahead and just keep this plugged in, especially when you're not using your vehicle for more than like 2 or 3 days. That is the recommended thing to do. So one other thing that you can also do, so this particular car here has full PPF on the car, and so since I want to make sure to protect the paint protection, I got these microfiber cloths online somewhere. So I'm just going to go ahead and set that here to let the cable rest on it, just like that. And we're going to go ahead and close the frunk, and we should be good. There we have it. So I'm not sure if I can close the frunk entirely, but we might be able to get away with it. And in fact, I just realized we probably should run this cable here so we don't have to rely on the cable getting scrunched like that. So let's go ahead and make that change. Okay, so we rerouted the cable slightly to run through here, and I put the microfiber cloth here. So I think we should be in a good spot to close the frunk without any issues. So let's go ahead and do that. There we go. Close it entirely. There we have it. We're good. So the cable is connected. It's sitting on the microfiber cloth. And we've got the NOCO Genius 5 connected, and we are at green, so we feel pretty good about it. Okay, and there we have it. That was a super easy video to do. I feel like it's gonna help maintain the battery on my 911 Turbo S, so I hope this video was super helpful to you guys. If you can, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be producing more POV type content and more supercar content with both of my vehicles here, so I hope you guys are enjoying the content so far. But until next time, folks, I'll talk to you later. Have a good rest of your day.